Now, visuals have emerged of massive protests in Iran's Isfahan, Tehran and Hamidan. Protesters tried to break into a local government building in the southern province of Fars on a fourth day of demonstration, sparked by a currency collapse. Officials said 3 police officers were injured and 4 people arrested in the city of Fasa. Confrontations were also reported in the western provinces of Hamidan and Lorestan. Authorities in the capital, Tehran, had declared yesterday a bank holiday in an apparent effort to quell the unrest. Across the country, schools, universities and public institutions were closed because of the last-minute public holiday announced by the Iranian government. To prevent any escalation, tight security is now reported in the areas of Tehran where the demonstrations began. President Masoud Pezeshkian has said his government will listen to the legitimate demands of the protesters, but the Prosecutor General, Mohammad Movahedi Azad, has also warned that any attempt to create instability would be met with what he called a decisive response. Back to you, Arzu. What more can you tell us?
Yes, protests erupted in Iran over the country's economic crisis, also the, soaring inflation, and demonstrators, including the shopkeepers and students, took to the streets in Tehran and other cities, chanting anti-government slogans and also calling for economic reform. The protests, which began on December 28th, have spread to universities and other parts of the country, with protesters targeting government buildings and symbol of authority. The Iranian government has responded with a mix of dialogue and repression, with the president urging the interior minister to listen to the protesters' demand and appointing a new central bank governor. Also, the economic crisis in Iran is attributed to a combination of factors. And if we talk about including US sanctions, economic mismanagement, and corruption, the real, has lost nearly half its value against the US dollar in 2025, with inflation reaching 42.2% in December. So definitely, considering the situation right now in Iran, the protesters are now are heading to the streets and raising their voice against the government, and also raising a voice against the current situation that is prevailing in Iran.
Stay with me, Arzu. Now, in videos making rounds online, Iranian protesters can be seen setting fire to a busy